everyone. Did you miss me? Hope you had a great weekend. Oh my gosh, the things that are going on around here in Trimpoline, Wisconsin. Oh, there's a pesky bird bothering my mom. So I'm growing big, as you can see. Look at my feet. Look how big I am. I'm self-feeding. Yeah, but I prefer my mom to do it. But yeah, she put fluff in here. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. Yeah. And I'm cute too, right? Yeah, look at me. Look how cute I am. Look, look, look. Yeah. Hello, T3 and Mrs. T. Oh, look, he's right there. Look. Ah, he came back. Wait, shoot. Mom, he's pretty brave to be sitting next to you, right? Cause you couldn't gobble, gobble, gobble him, right, Mom? Oh, yes, I can gobble, gobble, gobble that little pesky bird. Hi, Mrs. T. I noticed you don't have Mr. T around. Or I noticed Mr. T always steals your food. I can be your Mr. T if you want. Does anyone have a water gun? He is a cheeky little bird. Get lost, little bird. I'm back. Are you seriously not going away? You're just gonna sit by me and fly away and come back? Yesterday you flew on top of my head. It was your back. I got you in your back. Harmless. Would you like to become my lunch? Not really. Well, let me just say you're heading in that direction, Mr. Tiny Bird. Do you want to go on a date, Mrs. T? No, definitely I don't want to go on a date with you. Don't you come back here, you little pesky bird. Ah, you sure you don't want to go on a date with me, Mrs. T? No, I don't want to go on a date with you, little bird. Aw, come on, I'm a good-looking birdie. How'd you like to be stuffed chicken? I'm not a chicken, I'm a bird. You know what I mean. Flappy flap flap flap. Ba-da-ba-ba. I'm cute, right? I'm very cute. Maybe I will date Gizmo when I grow up. Yeah, because I'm very handsome. Who's that?